Hello guys, so today we are gonna be learning how to generate Solana wallet addresses, but yeah, with this HD system, right? So HD system is just like you trying to generate multiple wallet addresses, right? But then with the same mnemonic, yeah, with that same 12 word phrase or 24 word phrase, right? Yeah, so we are gonna be looking at that today. So we'll probably use this different wallet, non-custodial wallets, right? Like Phantom wallet, yeah. So we see this 12 word phrase being generated for us, right? And then we'll see our wallet address is being generated for us as well. And then yeah, we probably might be curious, how are these things even done under the hood? Yeah, how are these things being done? How is this 12 word phrase being generated? How is this wallet address being generated? Yeah, so we're gonna be looking at all of that today. Yeah, we're gonna be doing all of that programmatically, right, with Node.JS. Yeah, so we can proceed now. So first of all, we initialize Node.js into this project, right? So we want to see this Solana like to navigate into this Solana folder, right? So once we are in this folder, we run npm init dot dash y. So y like for the default values, right? So once we have Node.js initialized, we can proceed, right, to install like the necessary packages, right? Yes. Yeah, the libraries that we'll be using to generate these wallet addresses, right? So we run npm I and yeah, the first one would be this official Solana library, the official Solana JavaScript library, the Solana Web3, Solana slash web3.js. So once we have this Solana web3.js, the other ones would be um, this ed25 ed25519 HD key, and then yeah, we're gonna be installing the BIP39 too, and also the base 58 library. Yes, so all of these libraries are really essential, right, for this whole generation of HD wallet addresses, right? So once we have these packages, right, installed, we can proceed to generate our wallet address. Yeah, so we are gonna be importing these all of these classes, right, and methods from these libraries that we have installed. So the first one would be this key pair, right? This key pair from this official Solana JavaScript library, and the other ones would be easy 25519 and yeah, it will be this derived part. Yeah, we can see it being suggested to us. So other variables we are going to be needing are yeah, the BIP39, right, from the BIP39 library, and then the base 58 as well, base 58, and then the base 58 from this base 58 library. Yeah, so once we have these classes, right, and variables available to us, right, we can then proceed to generate our wallet address. So we can create a function for this. We can call this function derive derive wallet wallet address, derive wallet HD. Yeah, we can call it derive wallet HD. Derive wallet. You can call it derive wallet HD, right? Yeah, it could be an async function. Yes. So yeah, so once we have this function, we can yeah, we import this mnemonic, right? We get this mnemonic from this BIP, um so VIP text line dot generate mnemonic. Yeah, we can see it being suggested to us, right? So this mnemonic is like that 12 word phrase. Yes. So the next variable we're gonna be creating is seed photo. It's also gotten from this BIP 39 um, dot mnemonic to seed sync. Yeah, we can see all of these things being suggested to us, and then we'll pass this mnemonic as an argument, right? So once we have this seed, we can then create this for for loop, right? We can create this for loop to generate this multiple wallet addresses that we have. So we'll say let I equal to 0, right? Then we'll say as long as I is less than 10. Yeah, so we have like 10, we want like 10 iterations of this. We'll say as long as I is less than 10, then I plus plus. Yes. So once we have our for loop set up, we can then create this derived path. So we'll call this variable path, right? So this path now would be m. M is like this master key, right? And then 44, 44 apostrophe. So 44 is like the standard, right? We're gonna be using this BIP 44 standard, right? Yes. And then 501, yeah, and then 501 slash yeah, and then the index. So we'll pass the index, right? The index of I with an apostrophe, right? And then this 0, and then we'll pass 0 to with an apostrophe. So this M is like this master key, right? And then this 44 is like the common standard, right, for HD wallet. Yeah, BIP 44. And then this 501 is like the coin type. Yeah, so 501 is like the registered coin type for Solana. So if we are dealing with other blockchains, yeah, we'll be using the right number for them, right? Like Ethereum or Bitcoin. Yes. So all of this is just to ensure compatibility, right? So if you are dealing with Solana, right? Yeah. So you just use this um, number, right? And then this I is like the index. So we want like for each iteration, for each index, right? And then this 0 is like the wallet address type that we want to generate. So the this 0 now means we want this external wallet address. Yeah, like we want all of these wallet addresses that we are generating to be external wallet address. Like we want them to be able to receive tokens too, right? Yeah, perform external transactions basically. Yes. So once we have this part, we can create another variable, derive seed, derive derive seed. Um, yeah. So we call it. So we get it from this derive part dot so derive part, and then we'll pass this our part argument, right? We'll pass this our part as an argument to it, and then we'll also pass this seed dot to string, right? Yes, so we'll pass this seed dot to string, and then hex. Yes, so we'll pass x and dot key. Yeah, we can see it's being suggested to us even. And then once we have this derived seed, we can then proceed to generate our key pair. Our key pair equal to key pair. So remember this key pair class that we had from this official Solana JavaScript library, right? So dot from seed. So now we want to get this key pair from seed. We are not getting it from secret key. We want to get it from seed, right? And then we'll pass this derived seed as our argument. So once we have this key pair is like our combination of the public key and then this secret key. So we can extract this public key, right? The public key from this key pair. So we can say key pair dot public key. Yeah, we can even see being suggested to us dot to base 58. Yes. And then we'll do the same thing for the private key too. For this secret key, right, equal to, so to extract this secret key, we have to use this base 58, right, to encode it dot default. Yeah, so we call this dot default. So if you are using this base 58, right, I think as from this version 6, you would have to call this default, right? You would have to call this default before you can call this decode or encode. Yeah, so we want to encode this our keep pair dot secret key. Yes, so once we have these variables, our public key and our secret key, we can proceed to log them on the console. um, we'll start with this public key, and then we can also check for the index, right? So for each iteration we want to see the index, right? So we'll say public key. Yeah, and then we can do the same thing for the secret key too. Secret key. Yes, and then we can also do this. To like see the end of each iteration. So we can do this to see the end of each iteration. So once we have all of these things set up, once we have this code set up, we can proceed to invoke our function. So we'll say derive wallet hd. We invoke this function, and then to execute all of this program, we run this with Node.js. So we can say node then wallet hd.js, and wow, so we have our public keys, right, and our secret keys here. So we can see like this 9 instances of them, right? Yes, so we can also confirm all of these addresses that we have. Remember, every time you invoke this function, you get like a new set of public keys, right, and secret keys, because of this mnemonic. This mnemonic is always unique, right? So we can also log it to confirm. Mnemonic, right? Yes. So we can see the mnemonic. So this mnemonic, yeah, our 12 word phrase. So these are these 12 word phrase, right? So yeah. So yeah, how are these things even done? We probably might be curious. How are these things really done? What is this mnemonic? What is this like? What is this method? How are these things being done? So this yeah, so this BIP39 is like a standard, right? It's like an agreement, right? About how this mnemonic, yeah, these 12 words that you can see here, is like an agreement, like a standard, how these 12 words will be generated. Yeah. So these 12 words, they are gotten from a library of words, like up to 2048 words, right? Yes, so all of these words come from there. Yes, and yes, so and it just works like across different blockchains, like these words can be used on other blockchains too, not just for Solana. It can be used for Bitcoin, for Ethereum too. Yeah. So once we have um, um, this BIP39, right? So this mnemonic now is this we calling this generate mnemonic method on this BIP39, right? Yeah. So once we have that 12 word, so once we have that 12 word, we can proceed to generate our seed. So this seed is just like yes. So this seed is just like this mnemonic, but in binary form. Yeah, just like the binary representation, right? Yeah, like a buffer of of a private key, right? Yes. So this private key that is being generated, and yeah, it's just you converting these 12 words into a binary, and yeah, it's just used to derive private keys. So it just act as the master key, right, for all of these instances. Like we had 12 iterations, like 12 different wallet addresses. Yes. So this seed is like this core private key. Yeah, but it's in binary form, right? Yes. So once we have that yes. So once we have that seed, and then this part, so for this part is like the derivation part. Yeah, it just determines how these different wallet addresses will be generated, right, from our single mnemonic. So just um, yeah, so this m is just like the it's just like the private, it's just like the master, right? And then this 44 is just this BIP 44 standard. Yes, and then this 501 is like the coin type. Yes, so remember that different blockchains have these different coin types register. 501 is one registered for Solana. Yes, so just like that, this I is like the index, and then this 0 is like that wallet address type, like the wallet address that you want to change. Yeah, and then another thing to this apostrophes, they add like an extra layer of security, right, to these wallet addresses that we are generating. Yes. So so once we have this part, we have this private key, right? So we have this device seed rather. So this device seed is we like we are trying to derive a private seed, right, from a BIP39 seed, like for each iteration. Yes, so once like for each iteration, once a seed, just like a private key, right, for each iteration of this, for each wallet address. Yes, so this remember private seed is what we use to get this key pair, right? So from there we can get this key pair, right? So this key pair, right, is just our combination of the public key and the private key. Yes, yeah, and is being derived from this seed. Yes, and then this public key, right, is just is gotten from this and just converted to base 58. So this public key here is just the public key in raw format. Yeah, so this to base 58, it converts it yeah, to this to base 58 format, which is the format that is used to like we can share to somebody to receive tokens and all of that. Yeah, to receive tokens. So if you wanted to receive token, yeah, that's the format that you'll be sharing. And then this secret key is yeah, it's just re-encoding this private key, right, with this base 54 standard, right? Yeah, so this private key is just in binary form, right? But then we have to like encode it, right, to get this standard, right? So this standard is what we use to like um yeah, to sign our transactions and all of that. Yes. So once we have all of these things set up, yeah, we can proceed to confirm like all of these all of these things that we have generated, all of these wallet addresses that we have generated. We can proceed uh, to confirm it on these different extensions, right? Like these different non-custodial wallets, like the Phantom wallet. So we can say phantom wallet download. Yeah, we can try adding this extension. So we can try adding this extension. So it has 6 million users. So when you're adding an extension, always check out the number of downloads. So once we have this, yes, so we can say I already have a wallet. We just want to confirm. Remember, if you say create new wallets, they would give you the 12 word phrase, and then from there you can generate all of your wallet addresses. But then since we already have a wallet, we just want to confirm their system. So we can say import recovery phrase, right? So now we can paste this our recovery phrase, right? So we can paste this, we can copy this our 12 word phrase. Starts from knock. So we can copy this knock to this repair, right? So once we paste it here, and once we import this wallet, okay, we can create a password. And yeah, so you're all ready. So we are all set, right? So we can confirm all of these things that we have, right? So this is our wallet. So to confirm, this is the wallet one, this is the account one, right? And this is like the wallet address. So let me close this, let me close, and then let me open it again. So we can just save it in very to not now, not now. Yeah, so our account one, and yeah, remember they like generated different wallet address for different blockchains for, but now we are dealing with Solana, so we can confirm the Solana address. The first Solana address that was imported, right, on on this account. So by default they just import one account, right? They import the first one for you, except you probably had tokens, right? Or like you've done some transactions on the other ones, then yeah, I think that's when you will see the rest. But by default they just show you the first one, so we can confirm this wallet address tcdq, right? So yeah, let's see what we have for the first one. And tcdq, wow. So yeah, we actually have the first one, and then the second one. So if you wanted to add another account on this extension, so if you wanted to add another account on this Solana, on this phantom wallet, we can say create new account, right? Just to confirm that they use this HD system. So we can see this account too, right? And then we can see the wallet address is being generated. So for Solana, right, we can see the wallet address that was generated for us for this second iteration. So 3SMB, right? So we can check. So the second one is 3SMB. Wow. So yes. So as we can see, everything that we have here is same standard with phantom wallet address. So we can go on and on and on with this, like decide to generate maybe more accounts, but yeah, it would always give us that same um, wallet addresses, right? SGJB. And what do we have? Yeah, we have SGJB. So yes, and then we can also confirm these private keys. We can also convert these private keys that we have. Yes, so for this account 3 now, let's check the private key that we have for that particular account. So we can say manage account, right? Show private key. So it requires your password to the test. And yeah, so for Solana, I want to see the private key that we have. Yeah, so remember, you're not supposed to share your private key. Remember to always keep your private key safe. So all of these things is just done for this tutorial, right? But then after the at the end of this tutorial, I will be like discarding all of these addresses and all of these private keys. So I'm just showing all of these things because, of course, this is a tutorial, right? Yes. So we can see the private key. You can see the private key that we have here. It says JNUF for this account 3. And let's see what we have here. JNUF, right? For this third account. Yeah. So just like that. So this secret key, right, is unique to this particular wallet address, right? But then remember that all the wallet addresses that we have, they share the same recovery phrase. So they share that same mnemonic. So if you wanted to check the mnemonic, you can check with this account tree. So if you wanted to check this mnemonic, show recovery phrase. So we can see that same mnemonic. So they all share the same mnemonic, but then they just have these different secret keys, right, to execute their transactions. Yeah, and so yeah, that's it. So yeah, we can also confirm these wallet addresses on the blockchain. So the first one, if you wanted to check the first one, we can go to yeah, it's Solana block explorer, right? You can type Solana explorer, and you can use source scan. Yeah, so we can use source scan and we can paste this wallet address, and yeah, we can see that our wallet address is actually valid on the blockchain with yeah, zero balance, of course. But then yeah, so if we probably change this value, let's see what we have. If we change these values and enter, let's see what we get. And it's probably loaded. Yeah, anyways, we just wanted to like confirm this wallet address. We just wanted to confirm that that wallet address exists on this blockchain, so we can see it. Yeah. So yeah, so they said account not found. So we like change some of these values and says account not found. So yeah, so the one that we had was valid, right, on this blockchain. Yeah, so I think that's it. So we have we have covered how to generate multiple wallet addresses, right, with the same mnemonic, right? Yes, and yeah, remember to always keep your secret keys safe. Remember to always keep your mnemonic safe. Anybody with access to your mnemonic or your secret key, right, has access to your wallet address, right? So they can um, transfer your funds or yeah, all of those things. So yeah, keep your private keys safe. Yeah, so yeah, that's it.